quality sub solution in your sprayer, man, you're never gonna have a hard time at the office. It's always gonna be real easy peasy work. All right, there it is. A little bit of this. Let me get all these ironed out. I'm looking here at the edges. I know where I need my film to be at. All right. I really wish that you could see as close as I can. This stuff is really, really nice and clean, bro. Really nice and clean. If it takes more than 9 minutes, I'm only gonna upload the 9-minute portion of this video. I hope I'm doing it faster than that. I don't know. I don't have a sense of time. Shh, this is superbly clean. This is so clean, man. Nice, nice, nice. So the people that inbox me and tell me that there must be a lot of contamination and all these kind of things because of the tools that I use, not at all. It's really clean. It really is. This thin tool for the bottom, get all your water out of the way. This guy right here. While I'm here, right, I don't need to do anything else. All right. All right. Same thing all over. I like it. I really like this Cali Rolls, man. You know, for a 30+ year veteran, this is the first year that I ever done a Cali Roll, because I was always set in my ways of franking stuff and whatever, and I just watched too many pals of mine do the Cali, and I said, man, they swear by it. I must be missing out on something. And sure enough, I was missing out on something. So now I'm bringing it to all my pals across the globe. You guys kill it with the Frankies and you'll be doing good. Really clean installs. And one of the things that you guys that work solo in the shop, you don't need a 2-man fucking band for this. Do it on your own. I think I have a video of a whole bus windshield that I did by myself install. Watch that one also. It's here on my YouTube channel. No job too big or too small, all the same. So all the edges, dirty blades, I never snapped. Just use it at a good angle, you'll be good, man. And that's it. That's all she wrote, guys. I will talk to you later. I hope you enjoyed it. GoPro, stop recording.